Just like a glue.
Yours. Nice. Seal. And by the way, guys, there is literally a cable right now here running, like in middle of my cable going from. Yeah. Yeah.
Let's go, let's go, let's go.
Nice one, daddy. Daddy D my man. Let's go! Great pass! Woo!
They did extra. If they were just leaving it, I wouldn't know. His teammate would have saved it and boom it the other.
I appreciate what you get, right?
I see.
Oh! You got to be kidding me! Thank you! Thank you!
Ah, yeah, he got good position.
Thanks, man, Santi. Oh shit. Nice touch, nice touch. I'll go behind.
Second post. Okay, I go.
Okay, sure. Nice.
Oh no. Just like a glue.
Yours. Nice. Seal. Hello, guys. Let's go. Man, the amount of times I got disconnected.
Fine.
And by the way, Lahna hates green, guys.
Yeah.
That's something we all learned in the Saturday life.
What?
Yep.
Thank you.
Let's go!
Come here, boy.
Let's go, guys. Let's go. That's how we roll in the Shire.
There's still 3 minutes 33 seconds left. And since we have been...
And 5 more minutes after that.
Good one.
Let's go. Let's go.
Yeah,
I am
come here,
enjoying this game for a final.
They still can get it together. I think they're
Yeah.
But don't let them set up.
Okay. One thing though, both of them are diamond. So one thing we learned the hard way from diamond is they never give up. So just like extremely high pressure till the end. Sorry.
No,
extremely high pressure till the end though. Ouch, Nemo had it though.
No, I think it was a 50 with him. So, good one.
Thanks, but
Uh-oh. Second post.
Oh no. I'm so happy you're there. Suddenly, what the hell happened to the guy? Oh no, that's not good.
Oh my
Ouch.
god.
Nice shot. And you were close, kinda.
They are
Yes.
good. Don't let them shoot.
Dimo, I leave it? Or?
Yep.
Sure.
Didn't work.
Huge. Nice.
Thank you.
All good. Your turn. Nice.
I had a little bit boost.
Yeah.
See me in front?
Up.
I'm not behind
Okay.
you. I'm not behind you.
Yeah.
So, now I am. Oh.
That happened. Oh. Oh.
No, I just stand still at the end. Oh no, he got me.
Oh, nice. So happy you were there. I'm back in the go. Nice.
No. Nice one.
Ouch!
No! That was the easiest open net I missed this season.
I bumped one. Oh no, I'm an idiot. I just topped it up.
There you
and
go,
he just
another
topped
one.
it up.
Good one.
Let's, not have it coming here. Ah,
Oh no,
no,
I
my
didn't
bad,
see
my
the
bad,
guy.
my bad.
No, I could have taken my bad.
now like, I went so high that even I boosted down and still I couldn't reach it. I'm like, calm down, you muppet. Ooh. Nice.
Good one, good one.
Bye-bye! Let's go! I'm so happy that my internet is not getting disconnected. Knock on wood, touch wood, whatever.
I'm
Wood in
blessed.
the internet. Let's go. That didn't sound right. Sorry, guys. Hello, Mervin. Sorry. I misread the bounce. Oh, I'm an idiot. Yep, proved it. Let's go. Although I'm an idiot, but let's go. Oh yeah, exactly. Mervin, this is the final of the tournament, and well, like Demo has been carrying one overtime and like half a semi-final.
Can't
Because
say
my
carry.
internet keeps getting disconnected. Oh, like the quarter final overtime, I definitely say carry, man.